snowball. All right, we should be good now. Should be good now. So, anything. So what I'm looking at here with oh shit, sorry. What I'm looking at here with gold again is gonna be these shorts. I see gold definitely dropping. Let's just wait and see how price does end up reacting to these levels here. I want to see this placement here, if I'm being quite honest. And I do want to see price take down these lows, but if we start breaking structure and showing us some bullishness, then we're going to obviously continue with that trend. Obviously no news. Tomorrow is going to be NFP. So once NFP does happen, make sure you guys are ready for that. For actual liquidity to start happening. Do you find something consistent with ICT given all the allegations? I do. No sound, but no sound, yes. You guys have sound now, yeah? What happened with ICT allegations? I haven't even seen any of that. Can you tell me what are these allegations about? Because I promise you I have not seen any of this. What do you mean by allegations? What type of allegations? So, we need to see a displacement with gold for sure. We need to see price drop below here, give us something to actually worry about. Why is it so shaky? What is shaky? Background picture, you like the Leonardo DiCaprio? So I see gold dropping, giving me a little bit of structure here. Again, still no displacements in M1 or M5 or anything for us to obviously get in the sell. You know, price does seem like it wants to drop, but still nothing yet that kind of shows us the real move where price will drop. We're waiting on is down, waiting for price to give us a displacement to make sense for us to get on that sell and then have gold drop, obviously. If we look at AUD, clearly just flying, looks very bullish to me right now. Not much of any single trend here that we could capitalize from unless price does end up breaking some levels that make sense to us. Then maybe we could try to short this. But as of right now, price seems bullish more than anything. If we do break out of this, then maybe we can try to short price down here for London. With this 100k with EURUSD, right? GU same thing, very bullish, and GJ same thing, just very bullish as well. We're just waiting for price. If anything, to me it's gold, the one that's gonna be dropping. Dollar looks bullish as well. XRP still shorts, of course, you guys know. If you guys want to take a look at my XRP short video, make sure you guys look at the YouTube video I posted yesterday. Very easy to kind of spot this sell. I mean, I was kind of just calling the name. Apart from the technicals, the fundamentals are just calling for this to really drop, you know. This is gonna be really dropping. I see probably a clean retracement all the way down to 1.3, but we could definitely continue going lower, possibly to like the 1.0 mark, the dollar mark, where XRP was ranging this entire time, you know. The way the pump that we had was from November 24th until now, which was sitting at 0.58 cents. That's where XRP should be. You know, this a bull run is just liquidity, but the liquidity will get taken sooner than later. Doesn't look like gold wants to drop, eh? Looks like it's just trending above everything. Just with the same thing as what? GJ, EU, and every other pair that wants to continue flying. Can we capitalize on this? Possibly. No, GJ looks interesting. Possibly get a nice little H1 FEG there. If we look at M15 on GJ, we also have a little bit of a FEG right there. So we can continue on with this bullish trend for GJ. EUR USD as well. You guys take a look at EUR USD, it also looks very bullish. Giving us nice FPGs to continue on with this bullish trend. No reason for it to drop here. Can definitely go back up to take off all this liquidity above right here. I'm looking at the 1.05950 mark for EU. Obviously we are in overbought conditions, but price doesn't seem like it wants to slow down, you know? So since prices want to slow down, why would we want to slow down with it? We don't need to slow down with it. If price wants to go higher, price wants to go higher. Looks like gold is finally giving us the rejections that we wanted. Nice displacement above. 3 drives pattern here. 1, 2. Didn't quite get the third mark, but price is definitely showing us that bearishness volatility that we were expecting. So there goes gold shorts gearing for us. I want you guys to notice now is that we went a little bit above the 2-day open and we started dropping, and we look at the 8:30 open, which will be right here. Same thing, right? Went above the 8:30 open. This is the 8:30 open right here. See how price starts going up, right? It goes up, it drops. It goes up, it drops. It goes up, it drops. So, in these levels, we're going to be in oversold territories for price to continue dropping. I would love to see a little bit of M1 FEG here, if I'm being quite honest. We didn't quite get anything. Just looks like a nice gap for it to fill. So prices still look stuck to me with gold. Now it doesn't look the best. What do you guys see, eh? What do you guys see? What are you guys looking for? I'm sorry, I need to put this is not FG, that plus OB. Are you live on our platform? I'm live on Instagram. Loki Ghosting. There goes the EU pump. GJ still flying as always. GU also flying. I mean, absolutely flying. Nothing stopping these pairs, I'm being honest. Doesn't look like it. Gold is just stuck. All these pairs are stuck, man. You know, there's no liquidity at this time of the year. That's a problem. So we might have to wait for tomorrow for what's it called? For NFP, for price to actually move, you know? NFP probably will move nice and volatile like we want price to move. Gold giving us some bullish signs, still kind of not breaking out of the H1 FEG, but to me it still looks like it will drop, you know? This seems like it's very obvious, this FEG here. And this FEG didn't really break any structure, you know? So I do think that we will be dropping for gold, at least down to London lows. Again, I do want to see some liquidity being grabbed first, FEG being formed. So I think that makes sense for price to actually drop here. We're not really getting much just yet. We could have another sweep above this 2648 level for gold, and then we could be looking to drop down to the 264200 area. I'm looking for displacement that makes sense for us. You know, once that displacement makes sense to us for gold, then we can short that bad boy up. Nice little 2 to 1. You guys know what I mean? My phone might die any second, I'll be honest. If my phone dies and you're live here on Instagram, make sure you're in the YouTube channel. Smart Money Pedigree, guys. There goes GJ with the drop. Interesting. Gonna hit that M15 level. See how it reacts to that M15 level right there. So GJ interests me today. It looks like it is dropping down to that FEG that we're looking for. Definitely appeal to that. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Fuck. Once GJ drops down to a level, we can see what we want to do from there. I gotta blow my nose. Fuck me. Oh my god, I'm getting allergies. 1 second, guys. I gotta go blow my nose. 1 second. Oh. Alright guys, I'm back. I apologize for that. I had to go blow my nose real quick. Apologies. Let's go ahead and go live again here. Alright. So GJ to me looks like we're gonna drop down to the FEG. We could try to capitalize on that if we wanted to. I'm gonna wait and see what we get here. We got kind of an FEG here to then drop down to definitely take that liquidity down to this level here, right? Something that makes sense to us. Gold dropping from that area. Still not really a clean displacement. Not very clean, if I'm being quite honest. It just seems like price is just stuck, you know. Price is just stuck today. Not really much to look at right now with these pairs. Doesn't seem like it wants to move, though I do see it hitting. I just don't know when. You know, do we have any news that might affect us. Let's look at that. So we already hit unemployment claims at 10 a.m. I guess maybe the CAD, but not really. What we have to look for is tomorrow, the 6th, when we have that NFP. You know, that's when market will actually move. Let's look at, what else are we going to look at, guys? Let's take a look at trader sentiment. My eyes in this fucking shit, dude. Forex sentiment is down, huh? I don't know what this pair is. I like looking at my effects looking for Forex sentiment. Oh, here it is. Okay, there goes gold. That's the nicest placement, I'm being honest, on the M5. We got that M1 FEG filled right there. That's clean. You guys are looking at that FEG right there. Boom, we hit that right there. And we are getting that M3 FEG as well, right? So price, there you go. That's exactly what we're looking for right there. Now we want to try to short this bad boy up, you know? Now I want to try to short this. See what we can capitalize from. See if we can push price back above. If it wants to. Doesn't look like it. It's definitely dropping now. Gold is definitely dropping out to that London liquidity that we talked about. It's melting, boys. So obviously this is some of the things that do suck about trading the way that we trade. Sometimes we don't get that beautiful entry they wanted to. But it's just the way it is, you know. Gotta be patient here. Gotta see what place wants to do. If we do want to end up dropping or not. I don't think that I will go back up all the way up to that level. It doesn't make any sense because of those breakers above right there. So we do want to try to see what we have here on a smaller time frame scope. Like for example, these breakers here. Doesn't make much sense for price to go back above that. I'm not saying it can't. It can. Looks like it will. It looks like it will, and we will be taking that. We will be taking that gold short right here. Take price down below these lows for nice little 2 to 1. Easy. Oh yeah, price is not gonna want to go back above that. That's a very bearish candle right there. Very bearish. Doesn't seem like price at all wants to go back above that. Maybe the M5 one. We have 3 minutes left for that. I don't know if we will, but maybe. You know, maybe. But it's definitely above that level. M5 doesn't look too crazy, but we'll see. Maybe M5, we have 3 minutes left for that. M3 does look like it might hit that. I feel like it might just touch the M3 FEG and then drop from there to rebalance that from that internal liquidity. Don't like that we didn't really grab any sweep there, but I mean, it's the best I feel like that we're going to get to price dropping here with gold. If we take this loss, I'll probably just be done for today because again, price is just very stuck. It doesn't really appeal me, if I'm being honest. M3 FVG is touching the FVG right now. Hasn't really hit it yet, but it is touching it. And it has hit it now. Looks very bullish. Didn't give us any rejections at all. We'll see what price does from this level here. We do want to drop, if we don't want to drop, we'll see. This could have just been a liquidity grab, and we could have got an induce into the sells. And that's what it's looking like. And it's fine, we don't always win. Looks like price is definitely pumping here. The pump, the pump, the pump. We're not happy to see that. We still got the FVG though. We still have the FVG. Nice little rejections from here. We'll see what prices do from this level. Again, live with you guys. I'm looking at these gold shorts. Looks like we might hit stops here. I don't know. What I saw was basically the liquidity is all placed below. That's what I do see. So we will see how prices react from this area. If we do want to end up dropping. If we don't, we'll keep that in mind. Or we'll keep trading this. There goes the mount. Price is dropping from that level that we called out. Let's check that out right there. Beautiful sell from gold. Let's see if we can hold that up and drop down to TP. Doesn't look great now from that bullish candle we just got there. That's a very bullish candle, to be honest. Now we're back there, still looking for that gold to drop. I want you guys to know this is all done live, right? We're live on YouTube looking at this. This is live. This is no hiding this. Live on YouTube trading this pair. And we're gonna do this every single day, show you guys what it is to be a profitable trader. You guys can see my losses, my wins, everything. There's no hiding anything here. I'm gonna show you guys how this is done for real. EURUSD dropping back down to the FVG that we covered. Not really excited to take that because it is an overbought territory. So it will continue just holding down gold short here. We can break even here, guys. Easy as day. Easy as day break even. About to hit that TP. Let's go, baby. We do this shit, man. Let's go. And the lows are approaching. London lows approaching. We head into peace. London lows approaching. We head into peace. Let's fucking go. First day back, baby. You guys know we fucking do this, man. I hope you guys ate. I hope you guys ate for real with this trade. It's gonna hit that low. It is. I mean, I already know it's gonna hit that low. You already in? That's crazy. We've been in low key goals. We called that out ages ago, brother. What do you mean, man? Look at that melt TP smash. Yes, sir. TP smashed. We fucking do this, guys. How often do you go live? I'm gonna be going live every single day. Look, he goes every single day. I was good, man. Let's go. Lock that shit in, boys. We took that gold sell. Now I'm gonna get out of here. Call it a day. Appreciate you all. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Safe trade.